Wateen is the latest telecom venture of the Abu Dhabi Group in Pakistan, which is the single largest foreign investor group in the country. In the past decade alone, under the visionary leadership of its chairman, His Highness Sheikh Nahyan Mubarak Al Nahyan, Abu Dhabi Group has invested over $2 billion in the country. In recognition for his contribution to the economic development of Pakistan, His Highness was awarded with the highest civil award in the country, the Hilal-e-Pakistan, in the year 2005. Over the years, the group has successfully diversified its business portfolio to include business interests ranging from banking and financial services, telecom, real estate development and management, manufacturing, hospitality, and more recently, healthcare. In the year 2005, Wateen Telecom was incorporated with a vision to be the leading communication, infotainment, and solution service provider in Pakistan. The mission to achieve its vision to become the leading carrier's carrier and usher in a digital revolution of the 21st century, making broadband Pakistan a reality through provision of services based on quality, reliability, affordability, and availability. Almost 5 years down the line, it has surpassed industry expectations and is on the right path to realizing its vision. The telecom sector of Pakistan continued to grow positively in terms of subscription, revenue, and teledensity. Pakistan provides a lucrative investment environment for foreign investors in telecom and hence managed to attract $815 million in the year 2009. The sector continued to show positive growth at 18%, accumulating revenues of 328 billion rupees in the year 2009, while contributing 112 billion rupees as taxes to the government of Pakistan. Telecom teledensity remained on the positive side of the scale and stood at 62%, showing growth of approximately 5% in the year 2009. The broadband sector of Pakistan grew by 146% during the year 2009, while Wateen's broadband growth rate of 346% in the same period clearly outpaced the industry average growth rate. Wateen's healthy growth in LDI traffic has also been significantly greater than the industry average, particularly for its international outbound traffic, which grew at 145% compared to 73% for the industry in the year 2009. 45% of Pakistan's total population of approximately 168 million people is under the age of 15 and provides a huge untapped potential market for Wateen's products, positioned in such a dynamic way to cater to the digital revolution of the 21st century, with many industry experts anticipating the broadband market size to cross 5 million users in the medium term and growing to a further 10 million users in the long term. Increasing bandwidth needs of the carrier and corporate sector, which is also being triggered as a result of the ongoing price war in the GSM arena, directly creates more demand for Wateen's national transmission services. The tremendous growth in financial services of the telecom sector provides promising prospects for a player like Wateen, which strives on becoming the leading carrier's carrier with innovation and creativity amongst some of its core values. Despite enormous investment in the sector, there are still only a limited number of high-quality and integrated infrastructure providers in the region, such as Wateen. To ensure sustainability and growth in performance, Wateen has acquired a balanced portfolio of products and services which can be classified into wholesale and retail. For short and medium-term profit generation, Wateen has products such as LDI, managed capacity, and solutions. Medium and long-term cash generation is ensured through its WiMAX platform, with demand for broadband internet anticipated to grow over 5 million users in the medium term. FTTX and infotainment are also being nurtured to enhance long-term shareholder value. While ensuring sustainability of returns, this dynamic portfolio of services also helps to mitigate operational risk and optimize cash flows. Since its inception, Wateen's financial performance has been commendable. It has never made a loss in its short existence of over 4 years. Revenues have been growing at a compound annual growth rate of 80%, reaching a cumulative figure of 32.7 billion rupees as of 30th June 2009. Operating performance has also been quite remarkable, ranging between 18 to 22% of revenue from the year 2005 to 2009 and is considered to be above the industry average numbers. Operating profit to date reached 5.8 billion rupees as of 30th June 2009. Such positive trends in profitability enabled Wateen to maximize shareholders' value by forging a return on investment of a staggering 168% in just over 4 years. Earnings per share climbed from a mere 1.09 rupees in 2006 to an eye-catching return of 4.88 rupees per share in 2009. Since the initial investment by shareholders, there has not been a single cash call for equity despite approved equity by the board. Strong operational performance allowed Wateen to sustain its network expansion and grow to new heights of telecom achievement in Pakistan. Over the years, Wateen has both overperformed from budget while surpassing all industry expectations. And with one of the best workforces in the telecom industry of Pakistan, such positive trends are only to be rewritten with even more vigor and enthusiasm. A leading evaluator in the telecom industry, Decon, was engaged to revalue Wateen's assets, and after a thorough scrutiny of the assets comprising fiber optic network and WiMAX licenses, the independent report suggested a replacement value of approximately 17 billion rupees, translating into an intrinsic book value of 52.5 rupees per share. The unmatched performance of Wateen has attracted strong commitment of its shareholders who want to retain a majority stake and also want to share benefits with the people of Pakistan. The general public is being offered a huge discount, especially considering the offered share price at par of 10 rupees compared to a much higher intrinsic book value of 52.5 rupees per share.